growing up as a kid, you know, I used to wear a New Era. My dad always had it, and I was wearing his hats, but they're always too big. Now I'm in a position where I can create my own hat, and this year, super excited because it's very interesting what we got going on. All right, so like, what hat should we do first?
I think we should start with the basic 3930. Yeah, the one that you're wearing, the basic style.
I think we should do like blue, red, yellow, blue, like alternate these three colors, like the lines. Yeah, I kind of want to do like this logo I have on. Okay. Very simple. And for the back, I want to put like my number like 19.
Sure. Ultimately, it's up to you what you think looks best on the cap and what you think the fans in Pittsburgh will like the best.
Let's do like a metal piece for this bucket hat.
Okay.
You put the Smith-Schuster over the 19, on top of the 19?
Yeah.
I like that gray though, that's great. That black and gray, that's hard. My guy, man, hooking it up. Yes, sir.